children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Khushbu Rijwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today I am here to teach you EVS and today we are going to revise chapter number 1818 and the name of the chapter is Seasons. Children, in this chapter we have already covered the topics what are seasons and what are different types of seasons. So, today we are going to revise both the topics. Seasons, first is seasons. Children, what are seasons? When same weather remains for few months or long time, then it is known as season. Now, we have different seasons throughout the year. One is summer season, winter season, autumn season, spring season and rainy season. Now, let us revise each season one by one. Summer season. Children, summer is the hot season. The sun shines brightly in the sky. The sky is clear. The days are long and the nights are short in this season. Do you know why the sky is clear and why the sun shines brightly in the sky during summer? First of all, it is hot, and second thing, the rays of the sun directly fall on the earth. That's why summer season is known as the hot season of the year. Children, in this season we feel very thirsty. So, if we feel thirsty, we drink lots of water. We love to drink cold things like juice, cold drinks, etc. We love to eat ice creams also. In this season, we wear clothes that keeps our body cool. Clothes like cotton clothes. Now, children, many people go to hill stations in this season because at many places it is hot in summer season. So, people go to hill stations. We sit near air conditioner, coolers, fans, etc. Now, let us move to next season, winter season. Now, children, winter is the cold season. The days are chilly, days are short and nights are long in this season. Why days are chilly? Because in this season the sun rays does not fall directly on the earth. Next, we love to drink hot things like tea, coffee, soups, etc. We sit near heaters, we love to sit near heaters. We wear blankets and quilts to protect ourselves from getting cold. Next, people wear clothes, we wear clothes such as woolen clothes, jackets, woolen fur and jackets. Now, next is autumn season. Before autumn season, children, one more thing. In winter season, many animals go for long term sleep and this long term sleep is known as hibernation. Next is autumn season. Children, autumn season is known as the dull season because the weather is dull in this season. Why the weather is dull? Because the weather is windy and the leaves of the trees fall down in this season. The leaves turn into red or yellow color. In this season, children fly kites. Next is spring season. Children, spring season is the pleasant season. Why it's the pleasant season? You know, because in this season the trees start giving new leaves, butterfly, bird, bees and flowers bloom around. The nature seems so beautiful in this season. In spring season, everyone loves to go out. Next is rainy season. Now, children, rainy season is also known as monsoon. In this season, the days are wet. People love to sit indoors in this season. We love to drink hot things like coffee and tea, and we love to eat food that is hot and crispy also. In how we protect ourselves from getting wet in rainy season? We protect ourselves by wearing raincoat and gumboots, and we use umbrellas also. All this was about different types of seasons. Now, children, one more thing. Do you know in winter season when there is snow at many places, so children make snowman also with snow in winter season. That's all about seasons and different seasons. Now let us revise its bookwork and copywork. Page number 9090. Question first, write yes or no. Number 1, summer is the hot season. Is summer the hot season? Yes, summer is the hot season because the sun shines brightly, the rays of the sun direct fall on the earth in this season. So this statement is true. We will write yes over here. Number 2, woolen clothes are worn in summer. Do we wear woolen clothes in summer? No, woolen clothes keep our body warm, but in summer we love to wear clothes that keep our body cool. So which clothes we wear in summer? We wear cotton clothes. So this statement is wrong. So we will write no over here. Number 3, the rainy season is called monsoon in India. Yes, as we revised just now, rainy season is also called monsoon. So this statement is true. What we will write? We will write yes over here. Number 4, we eat hot and fried things in winter. Yes, in winter we love to drink hot things, we love to eat fried things. So yes, this statement is true. We will write yes over here because we have to write yes or no. Let's switch to next question. Answer the following questions. Number 1, where do many people go during summer vacations? Where do many people go during summer vacations? Yes, they go to hill stations. Where they go? They go to hill stations. So we will write hill stations over here. Number 2, what do children make with snow in winter? What do children make with snow in winter? They make snowman. What they make? Snowman. So what we will write over here? Snowman. Third is in notebook. Number 4, which season is pleasant? Which season is pleasant? Spring season. So we will write spring season over here. Fifth is in notebook. Let's first learn these 3 spellings, children. Okay, let's see. First, where do many people go during summer vacation? Where do many people go during summer vacation? Hill stations. H-I-L-L, hill. S-T-A-T-I-O-N-S, stations, hill stations. Number 2, what do children make with snow in winter? What do children make with snow in winter? They make snowman. So S-N-O-W-M-A-N, snowman. Third we have done in notebook. Next is number 4. Which season is pleasant? Which season is pleasant? Spring season. S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. S-E-A-S-O-N, season. I hope you have learned all the 3 spellings with me and you have understood this bookwork. You have revised this bookwork with me properly. Now let's revise its copywork. How do you protect yourself from the rain? How do we protect ourselves from getting wet from the rain? We use raincoats and umbrellas to protect ourselves from the rain. What we use, children? We use raincoats and umbrellas. So let's repeat the answer once again. We use raincoats and umbrellas to protect ourselves from the rain. Let's learn spelling. R-A-I-N, rain, C-O-A-T-S, coats, raincoats. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A-S, umbrellas. Okay. Question 2. What is hibernation? Now children, what is hibernation? Many animals go to long winter sleep. Children, in winters, many animals go for long term sleep in winters. What is it called? This is called hibernation. Let's repeat. Many animals go to long winter sleep. This is called hibernation. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. And spelling of hibernation, H-I-B-E-R-N-A-T-I-O-N, hibernation. Children, I hope you have understood this chapter. You have revised its bookwork and notebook work with me properly. Do watch the recorded videos. Keep learning, keep studying. Thank you.